It was not the intention. Hi everyone. So I'm finally doing my hair, y'all. Let's document this. It's 2:09. It's 2:09, and but I don't know why my camera isn't focusing lately. Like, okay, so I guess I got it to focus on me. I don't know what was going on. Basically, y'all, this is my hair. It's looking kind of cute. I combed this part out, y'all. So, but this is the part that was up. I'm about to comb my hair out. If y'all see my underarms right now, they're not shaved. I'm getting them waxed Wednesday, so we're just gonna leave that alone. But I'm back with another braiding video. I missed you guys, and I may chat a little more this video. I feel like I never really sometimes I'll chat in the videos, sometimes I don't. My hair feels like it's shorter than it was before I got it done, but whatever. Yes, so I got this new gadget. It's the Revlon like blow dryer situation. It's pink because my favorite color is pink. I only dislike is the fact that the little thing back here is back here, and it's like so weird to it's weird to move it. But I'm gonna blow dry my hair a little bit, let y'all see a little bit of that, and then when I start braiding my hair for real, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm braided, and then I'm going to just show y'all my process. So let's get right into this. Before you put heat on your hair, guys, fun fact, you're supposed to use some leave-in styling treatment. So y'all, this is some olaplex I'm using, number 6, and then I have this Chi like heat protectant I'm about to go get. So this is what I use, straight guard. I usually put it all in my hair first, but I forgot. Obviously I forgot. I put a bunch because I don't see why not. Okay, so there's light behind me because I got all the lights on. Gotta see. I'm about to open up the hair, which probably should have been done. Been dead. I don't know where I'm gonna put this hair, y'all. I don't know what I normally do. Let's see what color this hair is because it told me 1B. And the fact that it's not 1B, y'all, looks red. Oh my god. I'm about to get so mad because I swear I got red. I mean, I swear I got black. So much hair. It's so much freaking hair. Oh my god. I'm about to call my man. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So I'm very upset because this hair is definitely red as fuck. And that's why I said that number on it, because it was definitely red AF. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I had a little meltdown, but I'm back and I'm trying to get it together. And I had 2 braids done, but I'm about to undo it and switch it up because I was just in distress, basically. Like, the hair color is red, so now I'm about to be a redhead now. So I don't know what that's gonna mean. I don't know. And I'm just trying to get it together, basically. That's what I'm in the process of doing right now. Hey, y'all, so I am currently like in the middle part. Let me see. I want to show y'all where y'all can actually see. I don't know if y'all can really see, but this is what I've done so far. And yeah, I'm about halfway done, I guess you could say. Like, this is a good halfway point or whatever, but how many did I do? Okay. Is that 2? I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey y'all, so this is the final product. Let me show y'all. It's a little stiff right now. I'm about to dip it, so y'all can watch me dip it. I tried to do like, I think next time I do it, I'm gonna use a different like add in here. I wanted one little hair up here. I should have put more in this one, but it's whatever. But yeah, this is a hair. My room's a bit messy, but thank y'all for getting ready with me or doing my hair for my trip. And I appreciate you guys. And I'm about to dip it. Blue ski on my towel. Oh, yeah. So I have this teapot right here, and I'm waiting for it to finish boiling. And then I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put something on for my pup because I'm gonna go get some food because I'm hungry. Yeah, so I wish I could have talked to y'all more, but I'm not gonna lie, my camera had died, and then I had my ring light plugged up, I had my phone charging. It was just too much going on the outlet, so I just couldn't even do that. But you know what, I'm kind of glad how this came out. Kind of wish the braids were a tiny bit smaller, like kind of how I started in the back, but I think they've always been a nice like size. This is a fair size. I want to keep my hair braided for like at least a month. Oh my god, oh my god, Oh my god. 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 Y'all, look at this. What the f is going on right now? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Blue. Every time I do something with my hair or with something, like, Blue decides he wants to get involved. Okay, like it's gonna puff up or whatever, and definitely did. I got my kettle from Amazon. I was just like, I'm not gonna lie, I wanted one of these for my tea. Okay, initially wanted one for my tea, and then I had seen it and I was like, bro, first of all, I never get anything green, so I was like, they got it in green and it'll be here. The camera stopped. I don't know why it does this, and I need to figure that out. But anyways, so I had it in my cart for a little bit because, you know, like, you put stuff in your Amazon cart, and if you don't need it like right now, or like you do need it right now but you want to see, like, check other prices, or like, is this really just necessary, you know? And I had it in my cart and I was just thinking, I was like, man, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this because I was using a pot, and you know, using a pot is like, okay, like, it's cool and all, but I wouldn't want to cook in the pot. Be careful, guys. Don't, if you're doing this at home, be careful. Wear pants, have a towel handy. I have a towel, but just slipped. I'm talking too much. Anywho, yeah, so that would happen. But when I was at home, I had a pitcher to use, so like, I would boil the water and then I would put it in the pitcher, and that would basically be like it. Make sure your water is hot as hell, boiling for real. That's how you get the best results. I love it when I do this because I just love the final look. I love it when your hair is just like nice and loose and it's flowing. I was feeling stiff-headed for a minute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna dip this other side again because I feel like I was just so in shock that I didn't really just dip it all the way. Didn't know what the hair was gonna do. Anywho, so you'll see my other videos for like my Miami, like, packing and just all that other stuff. You'll see that in another video, so make sure y'all are staying tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Jada Mae, and thank y'all so much. See you later.